Most people think when you bring your hands together like this, it's just tradition. But something real is happening. When you rub your palms together, you create friction, heat, blood flow, stimulation. Your nerve endings are firing up, and your brain gets the message, wake up. Now, when you bring your palms together and press, you create steady pressure. Both sides of your body engage at the same time. Your brain receives a clear signal. Focus, center, be here. It's not about religion. It's not about ritual. It's about balance. One action activates the system. The other organizes it. Like striking a match, then cupping your hands to protect the flame. So when we do this, we're not just placing our palms together. We are not asking for anything. We are returning to ourselves.